Good morning, guys, or good day, guys. I woke up late after 12 today, hence why I'm saying good morning, but it's a good day. My name is Nomakosi. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Today it's Monday. I am off. I want to show you the lunch I am cooking. Now, I've already cooked, so I just want to show you the food that I have cooked today. It's a rice and a chicken curry. So this is the rice. This is the rice I have cooked today. This is my chicken curry. I want it to boil and simmer. Just put a soup there. No, so hi guys. My name is Nomakosi. Yes, we go straight. My name is Nomakosi. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Today I'm a VVIP. I'm not driving. I am driven. You know, I am driven today. I am reaping what I have sowed. My teachings are working for me today. So I have drivers now who can drive mommy around. Okay? So today is my son's birthday. We are going to Spar to get a cake and a drink so that we can just sing and celebrate his happy birthday. Happy birthday.
We're going
it's someone's happy birthday.
Okay.
Go to the left. So yeah, I am with Munduza and a birthday man. We're going together to get a nice cake for us so that we can have a small celebration of his birthday. So this year, money-wise, I was not fine. We didn't really celebrate our birthdays, but we're thinking of planning. I'm not too sure when we're gonna go for photo shoots, all of us, and maybe go out watch a movie together. But we will plan that. I'm not too sure if a movie plan will work because Munduza have her own favorite movies, so I don't know. But photo shoots, we are going to do it definitely for our birthdays, all of us, because now we are done with birthdays. It's me in June, September it's Munduza and a younger brother, and then October is a big brother. So yeah, we're done with birthdays now. Yes, Nana.
Do you know my favorite?
Is what?
My favorite.
So she is thinking of her favorite movie.
My favorite.
Okay, guys, let's go. Peace.
Pizza. I'm not scared.
Happy birthday, boy.
Yeah, thank you.
Sabi comment.
Focusila, baby.
Focusila, ne?
What of Spain?
That's a Columbus spade. Not even if it's Zulu, guys.
That is cool.
It's cool.
Okay, from here we're going straight on.
No, right. Let's go. Guys, we're from Spa now. We bought the cake. So me after party, he's gonna cut the cake and then we're gonna sing happy birthday for him. It's better than nothing.
It's better than nothing.
But this hairdresser of mine, yo. Yeah. So we're going home now. Today I wanna sleep early. Tomorrow I'm going to work. So yeah. Oh, guys, it's so nice to be driven. It's nice to be a VVIP, I'm telling you. You just sit on a passenger seat and then you rest. It's so nice. Feels so nice.
Nice. What's up? So give a golf lam. What's up?
Hamba. I know. You can make everyone's hair. Oh, man, so we better with golf.
Yeah, what's up?
GTI.
Yeah, golf 8.5. So
Yeah?
Yeah.
Man, so we're singing fly like when you're south of Modern Desire.
So we're somewhere more in, eh?
I know, Sabu Famba Moyen, Mina.
Mami, nang tawa.
Yes, Sabu Way, Lambo, eh? So we fly and not particular aeroplane. Yum!
Yes.
Oh! Yeah, Antoine.
Yes.
Ngizobe nifly ngama-BM ngama-GTI. Huh?
Adlali kanjani?
Ngiuhambe faster, especially uma uhamba nami, ne?
Mara, ungatsho if I pulling
Uhlale necala noma ngingakafiki.
Kuba njani yami sesifikile?
Ngiyugibele naye makayiphula.
So ngala singena khona kuqaleni.
Alright.
Calendar ubambele bengayazi mina.
I see. Yeah, this times usually there's a traffic because people are coming from where.
Njani la.
No, makhabe. Alakudala ethiswa ilanga.
Ngathanda ne?
Ikhabe elimnandi because lenza ukuthi usuthe. Athi namanzi amaningi. Ilokhu idla nje uyasutha lamanzi lawo. Thina esizimisele ngokuluzi weight esana. Esizimisele ngokwenza i-weight loss.
Yes. Weight loss. Sekukuhle.
Esizimisele ngokwenza hayi cha ubungoma butrendile kule game.
Nje?
Ufaka ubuhlale ezandleni. Gqizile. Ugqizile. It's going to wash your hair. Is it easy, Nana? Is it? Let me switch off the camera first, please.
Yeah, you don't know how beautiful you are. One look at you and I see stars that shine up over my head. I hope you know these words that I've said.
You wish again?
I wish you be a superstar.
You wish to
And
me
I
to
will-
be a superstar? Okay, and then?
And I wish when you grow up you be a superstar. And I wish you have everyone.
Have what?
And I wish you have everyone.
Mina nguzo sis.
Everything.
Oh, okay, ngiyabonga ne? God bless you. Okay, another one.
Happy birthday, boy. I wish I wish you a happy and prosperous life forever. Don't forget to pray, put God first in everything, and love you so much, my son.
Love you too, mommy.
Share, Shamno, share.
Happy birthday, my brother.
Yeah,
I wish you to have a good life and a lot of money.
lot of money. Money is power. Thank you.
Lot of money. Birthday, Booty. Happy birthday, Booty. Happy birthday, Booty. Happy birthday, Booty, dear brother. Hooray! Naye lo mpatuke sis.
Mama, you shouldn't touch it anymore.
Iza nayo no siphethe ngakho. Volume. Ivlog yakho izohamba.
Divisaza, sis. Divisaza. Imbuzi. Yasala.
Yes. Ukudla kwami lapha.
I'm sorry. Don't put it for
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Noma Kosti. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. On my way to the gym, Kelala. On my way to the gym, Kelala. Fitness queen. Let's go.
Yeah, you don't know how beautiful you are. One look at you and I see stars that shine up over my head. I hope you know these words that I've said are true. 'Cause when you do, you know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be last place, 'cause in my heart you won the race. Yeah.
I can't expect the gym has opened. I think 8 minutes ago. It opened at 5. Even 8 minutes past 5 now, which I think. So, yeah. Guys, the gym is packed. People of this place, they are very loyal to themselves. They are fitness kings and queens. So I am joining them. Forgot my watch, but it's okay. I made myself a nice smoothie. I mixed watermelon, blueberries, pineapple, peach, and a little bit of peanut butter, a little bit. I don't have powder. I want to add a protein powder, but I don't have. I'm gonna need to buy it online, but it's so nice. I forgot water today. So I have a juice bottle that's lying in my boot. I'm going to pour this. I'm going to pour the smoothie in that juice bottle because it's not a beautiful juice bottle. It's an old. It means scratches. So I'll pour this in that juice bottle, and then I'll rinse this and I'll pour water in the gym because I can't do my exercises without having water. So yeah, let's go, guys. Please kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment, like, subscribe. I see my channel is gradually growing, of which it's a good thing, and I'm happy.
Yeah, you don't know how beautiful you are. Wanna look at you and I see stars that shine up over my head. I hope you know these words that I've said are true. 'Cause when you do, you know how beautiful you
kunzima ukuphuma nkosi yami. Ngutshele. Ukuthi ngiphume banzima. Time is 6:45 and I'm still here. But I hope I'm going to cover. Let's hope there is no traffic. Let's hope there's no traffic. But ask me how I feel. I'll tell you, I feel fantastic. I feel fabulous. I feel happy. I feel very happy. There is a traffic, but it's a moving traffic.
Yeah, you don't know how beautiful you are. One look at you and I see stars that shine up over my head. I hope you know these words that I've said are true. 'Cause when you do, you know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be last place, 'cause in my heart you've won the race. Yeah. Oh, how beautiful you are.
Oh, 60552730 When do you stand? SA ever said every family gets a maximum number of kids. What would be a fair limit for you?
I guess I don't hate the traffic. It's no. Ngibathende ndim lo. Hayi, the late. The traffic is against me. Try to remove my Q6. Yes, I'm not to take one. But as long as it's free. As long as it's let's go and start our day when I say I am already late, but let's go.